Reporter Mensa Kan HRS. Economics Intelligence Unit EIU or more Ediaba say NDC Amanyoko 2024. According to reporter Womodiaba Womochirese April 13, 2022 na report no ebaye na womohwehwemu a omaye no ehu say Mahama 2016 o contest ye olusu ye 2020 o contest ye olusu ye edenti ansana womobetimi awene elections no 2024 no just omo the new candidate and as a new person and a contested elections, it is asema abeto Ejano. NDC cannot win 2024 elections with Mahama, according to Economics Intelligence Units. According to them, NDC is likely to win the 2024 elections with a new candidate, meaning NDC likely say, and based on the report I is asking, so more go by the report there, and Mahama NDC for. And she yombe drop no ama nipa foforo so a contest sa na mate sesia so entiya me nsa ka HRS NDC minority nipa mako mensa Haruna Idrusu awoye mrahye bedwani ewo tamale ho baabi sa so na North Tongue mrahye bedwani Samuel Okujato ena Boko Central mrahye bedwani Mahama Ayarega nipa mi ensen omo etumirika ko Supreme Court say omumfa injunction to so say be ya yilevi no a Ghana ban ebe implement na ado asan aye mra 1st May Ghana be sha ase age yilevi no omo say omumfa mran to so say be ya Ghana ban entimi sha ase enjeje yilevi nti abeto dwan minority caucus runs to Supreme Court to stop implementation of e-levy on May 1st. Let's just say, I say, my mama dia to Ghana. Minim, and this is for my brother e-levy. You say, Parliament ajiatum. I be man another assign. I am ra. I be yedma. But this any abre they say, woman per se e-levy no e baso. Mentia say na esa actually imagine kakra. Enti Ghana for a bisa. Say, this is for them problem. They say, this is somebody I could do Supreme Court. Oh, and this is the Supreme Court to your best too. Ghana health insurance, national health insurance, Womodiba, and this is what they call Supreme Court. So they be Omontiasia, Womodi free senior high school, but the same time they call Supreme Court. And this is the I did the Bagan and then put you beba. This somebody I call Supreme Court say, Womunya is adding to e-levy, and then say, more at the court Supreme Court. They say, Tiamin Saka, new Patriotic Party MPP opens nomination for constituency executive elections. New Patriotic
Wobiako University, or to me compare John Mama with a Kufano, or to me compare Japan with Kevin Taylor, and one so did Kevin Taylor. She'll be legacy or make you an abrabum. And Posani Panipa Bia and an answer. Mimitia woman answer, but me a good. But Ghana for the Minensu Cassatiame, a solid chame. But I don't give a damn to them. That is why I support in Japan. Because I don't give a damn to you, Ghanaian hate me, you talking about me. I don't give a damn. I always sleep and think about my life. Move forward. Me solitary me my bravo. Me fa Ghana kwasa samna mo tete Ghana. Mo de tia control mo me fa mo. Listen and listen very clear. Me many Abraham Tiang. Ghana for mo can some senipa because mo senipa or training, mo senipa or bobra, mo senipa or mini life. And you people don't mean life. Mo social media so mo say Japan, mo say Kufado. You don't mean any life and you will not get life. Mo nya brabo papa bi amo. Ko mo chinipa wa bobra. Mo chinipa o konanim. Enti wo chiri Japan, you are nobody to me sitting here. Wo chiri Japan, you are nobody to me. Who to John Mama now which the Akufado shoe and win your beer money because John Mama. A dear Akufado I am a Ghana. You cannot compare John Mama. Because of John Mama, you love Kevin Taylor. Because of NDC, you love Kevin Taylor. What did NDC do for Ghana? Tell me here. Because Kevin is talking for NDC to come power. Kevin is blasting Akufado. Kevin is blasting Japan. And you can tell and cause some NDC never wait to my casa money taking upon. Because I NDC, you know, na brabo bia nti se Kenya Japan adwuma do se na NDC fo bi Ghana mumu se adwuma do se NDC fo na mu do machiri o ma bi Ghana mu enso Ghana sika de chi omu ka including John Dramani mama Ibrahim mama nyame chira wo na watimi abi adwuma ate obra nim obra ka se wa mistake. I do understand the mistake of John mama. I do understand the mistake. Hey, I can't get a court case, but I have to address issues. John mama mistake. You can just listen to somebody, but you don't think to understand wisdom. Let me tell you. Nana Kufuor na Kevin Taylor dinatamo. We're making legacies. What the woman can say, one of the Fred catch by on one. What the woman can say, one of the asphalt road by on one. What the woman can say, one of Ghana national identification card on one. We're making legacies, and it will still remain in Ghana. A good father, the woman can say, one of the 140 by on one. Now, Obeuna 140 after Obiaduma, or Womoya. Mutio, Yentia, Yetas Uncle. Yentia, and Quasiafobi, and somebody do matama, no matter what send Quasiafon won't crash it. One more send Quasiafon. But the second Taylor, and Nessie Quasiapano, or General Class, or sorry, or take it on Kevin Taylor. Kevin Taylor take it on a Kufan, take it on Kajapon, take it on Baumia. What's the some more bra and my advice? She said the Baumian. One more bra and Kautimi baby be my Ghana. Ubibia oyama Ghana no nyansa bia nim krache Fauci so ne krache nchose Ghana fo yamu bia firi oyam anyafo ma muko abrocha mu jimi mutio na mu abrocha na muko anyasa no ase okwa abrocha na glass nho a na abrocha ableke de apoa wote Ghana na abrocha for enjoy. You do nothing for Ghana. You do nothing. Okwa abrocha you do nothing for Ghana. Fuck. Mujama blocheni America sem no tonchen na mufa mujimi entra ho mujimi amufa nhahwe wa America mujimi amufa nhahwe. Even Kevin Taylor himself as a journalist, he don't learn anything from America system. He just come on social media and in short no abedi di atem just like that. Move follow page, you know, move follow page. Who dey follow na call davo from no abehwe so person kwa follow me say move follow page and just like that. Yemu bia betimi akanya nsa chenkofo bi oni na lim so onim nyansa ba onim so wajimie me say Ghana for am America mo social media so evangelist ada wonim nyansa se mu nyina me yi papa and say we sin chen daddy Fred sin chen me daddy Fred we a different citizen for Ghana. Daddy Fred no me yi daddy Fred is in charge. Daddy Fred the cranker say why a journalist. Kevin Taylor call himself journalist. He do nothing. Only vision be Ghana. To conquer America, the one America, the Ghana for but now the dear Kufuor them. Now if you Kevin Taylor have a problem with Kufuor and Kenya Japan, who was the problem for Ghana system? Tell me. Who rule Ghana before Kufuor come? Who rule Ghana before MPP government come? Nonsense. Then you people sit there, you call yourself journalists, and you want me to listen to you because you talk, because you can talk, because you can blog. I call you guys as bloggers. I don't call you guys as a journalist. I call you guys as a bloggers, and bloggers without facts, bloggers without even facts. Listen.